Hi, in this video we will discuss about castor oil. Benefits of castor oil? How to use it? Introduction to castor oil. Castor oil is a vegetable oil obtained from the seeds of the castor plant Ricinus communis. It has a long history of use for various purposes including medicinal, cosmetic, and industrial applications. Composition of castor oil. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that constitutes about 90% of its composition. This fatty acid is believed to be responsible for many of the oil's therapeutic properties. Ricinoleic acid is a monounsaturated fatty acid. Medicinal uses. Traditionally, castor oil has been used as a laxative due to its potential to stimulate bowel movements. It is also used topically for various skin conditions such as dry skin, dermatitis, and fungal infections. Some people use it as a natural remedy for joint pain and inflammation. Hair and skincare. Castor oil is popular in the beauty and cosmetic industry. Many people use it for hair care, claiming that it promotes hair growth and thickness. It is also used for skin moisturizing and is found in some skincare products. Industrial applications. Number 1. Hydraulic fluids. The viscosity and thermal stability of castor oil make it suitable for use in hydraulic fluids. It helps ensure smooth operation and lubrication in hydraulic systems. Number 2. Personal care products. Castor oil is a common ingredient in cosmetics, skincare products, and personal care items. It is used in lipsticks, lotions, creams, and soaps due to its moisturizing and emollient properties. Number 3. Plastics and polymers. Castor oil and its derivatives are used in the production of certain plastics and polymers. These materials find applications in industries such as automotive, electronics, and packaging. Number 4. Paints and coatings. Due to its drying properties and ability to form a protective film, castor oil is used in the production of paints, coatings, and varnishes. It contributes to the durability and finish of these products. Number 5. Biofuel production. Castor oil has been explored as a potential feedstock for biodiesel production. The oil's high viscosity and unique fatty acid composition make it suitable for biofuel applications. Number 6. Candles. Castor oil is used in the production of candles, providing a clean-burning and slow-burning alternative to some other types of candle waxes. Benefits of castor oil. Castor oil offers a range of benefits for both health and beauty. It has been traditionally used as a gentle laxative to aid in bowel movements. When applied to the skin, castor oil's moisturizing properties can help soothe dry skin and conditions like dermatitis. Some people find it beneficial for hair care, using it to promote hair growth and thickness when applied to the scalp. Castor oil is also considered for promoting eyelash and eyebrow growth due to its nourishing qualities. When used in massage oils, it can help alleviate joint and muscle pain. For pregnant individuals, castor oil has been suggested as a natural method to induce labor, although this is a topic of debate among healthcare professionals. Castor oil has been used historically for wound healing. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to the healing process. To use castor oil for fungal infections, cleanse the affected area, pat it dry, and then apply a small amount of castor oil. Gently massage the oil into the skin, ensuring it covers the entire infected area. Repeat this process regularly until the symptoms improve. It's important to note that while some individuals find relief using castor oil for fungal infections, it is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If symptoms persist or worsen, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Various potential uses. Castor oil has various potential uses beyond hair care and fungal treatments. Here are some alternative uses for castor oil. Number 1. Constipation relief. Ingesting small amounts of castor oil may help relieve occasional constipation. However, it's essential to use it cautiously and consult with a healthcare professional for proper dosage and guidance. Number 2. Scar tissue reduction. Massaging castor oil into scars or areas with stretch marks may help reduce the appearance of scars and promote smoother skin. Number 3. Cuticle and nail care. Massage a small amount of castor oil into your cuticles to moisturize and strengthen them. It can also be applied to brittle nails to improve their health. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of the incredible benefits of castor oil, remember that this natural gem goes beyond hair and fungal treatments. Whether it's for skincare, joint pain relief, or promoting overall well-being, castor oil stands as a versatile ally in your self-care routine. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share your castor oil experiences in the comments.